Relax. Down. Exhale. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Sideways. Exhale right. Exhale left. Exhale right. Exhale left. Running. Exhale right. Exhale left. Exhale right. Exhale left. Rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Reverse. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Relax. And exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. Both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. Step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. Relax. Tadasana. Up. Hold it. Relax. Again. Up. Hold it. Next, keep 1 foot gap between two legs. Ardha Chakrasana. Place your hands. Right. Exhale left. Exhale right. Exhale left. Exhale right. Exhale left. Relax. Reverse. Relax. Change the position. Relax. Rotation. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. सूर्य नमस्कार. ओम मित्राय नमः. रामासन. अष्टानासन. पादहस्तासन. अष्टांग नमस्कार. अश्वसज्जनासन. पादहस्तासन. अष्टानासन. रामासन. ओम रवये नमः. ओम सूर्याय नमः.
ओम सूर्याय नमः.
शोषणे नमः
ओम शोषणे नमः
ओम हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः
ओम हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः
ओम मरीचिये नमः
ओम मरीचिये नमः नमः
ओम आदित्याय नमः ओम सवित्रे नमः
ओम सवित्रे नमः
ओम अर्काय नमः
ओम अर्काय नमः
ओम भास्कराय नमः
ओम भास्कराय नमः
प्रणामासन अर्चनासन पादासन अस्वसुजनासन नी अष्टांग नमस्कार भुजंगासन नी अस्वसुजनासन पादस्तासन कानासन कामासन Sit in any asana, keep Gyan Mudra, spine is straight, close your eyes, normal breathing. Relax. Astrika pranayama. Neeta ulmochi. Neeta velimuchi. Puraka. Grechaka. Muchi ulle edukumodu. Pai velimuchi. Muchi ulle edukumodu. Pai ulle edukumodu. Ulle maati. relax. Rotation. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. Right, left, right, left. Up, down, up, down. Go down, down. Left, right, left, right. Relax. Next, right. Both legs. Sideways. Keep 1 feet gap between the foot. In, in, out. Same side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Patient. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. Break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Off butterfly. Go to the right leg. Keep your left leg straight. Ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. So pressure point. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, hold it. Relax, change the position. Off butterfly. Ankle rotation. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. Pressure 5. The zigzag are stronger. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, hold it. Relax. Vattabhanasana. Hold your legs. Keep the heels together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Close to pelvic. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. Relax. Kapalabhati, only exhale. Keep Gyan Mudra. Only out, exhale. யோக தினம். அனைத்து வயதுகளுக்கும் நல்ல ரிசல்ட் பார்க்கலாம். Relax. Next, Kaji Pranayama. Inhale, Molaband. Dhyanapan. Exhale, Gandharvan. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, Molaband. Dhyanapan. Gandharvan. 1, 2, 3. Again, inhale, Molaband. Dhyanapan. Gandharvan. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Agni Shah. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3. Next. Change. Relax. Next. Ujjayi Pranayama. Chin lock, release left arm. Again. Chin lock, release left arm. Relax. Next, Anula Vilama. Relax. Rotation. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Right. Back. Right. Left. Forward. Relax. Grinding. Keep your legs widened. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. Technique. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. Legs. Both the legs. Relax. Next, Janusarasana. Fold your left leg. Keep your right leg straight. Inhale up. Hold the toe. Stay for few seconds. Relax. Change the position. Hold your right leg. Keep your straight leg. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold the position for few seconds. Relax. Paschimottanasana. Keep your both legs straight. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hold the toes. Stay here for few seconds. Relax. Trikonasana. Alagala motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, left, right, left. Relax. This moment. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Next one, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Next one, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reverse 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Garudasana. Change the position. Relax. Next, Brahmani. Sit in Vajrasana. Keep Shanmukhi Mudra. Close your eyes. Silent meditation, Pangana Mudra. Pray Mata, Pita, Guru, Deva. Mandukasana, keep Pangana Mudra. At your lower abdomen, inhale up, exhale down, look up, hold it. First left and then right. Press your lower abdomen. Inhale up, exhale down. Down. Relax. Shashanka. Inhale up, exhale down. Stay for a few seconds. Relax. Gomukhasana. Hold your left. Keep your right leg outside. In. Hold the position for 2 seconds. Relax. So now change the position. Other side. Relax. Next, Vakrasana. Your right leg. Keep your hands outside. Relax. Change the position. Relax. Makarasana. The palms under the chin. Right leg up. Left leg up. Right leg up. Left leg up. Right leg up. Left leg up. Both legs up. Both legs up. Both legs up. Relax. Next, Ardha Bhujangasana. Into your elbow. Both sides. Inhale up. Hold it. Relax, then first left and then right hand. Inhale, up, hold the position for 2 seconds. Relax. Salavasana. Keep your palms under your thighs. Right leg up. Left leg up. Right leg up. Left leg up. Right leg up. Left leg up. Both legs up. Chin on the floor. Both legs up. Okay. Both legs up. Chin on the floor. Relax. Dhanurasana. Your ankle, catch your ankles, raise your foot of the body up, hold the position for few seconds. Oh, friends and sideways. Stomach, inner organs எல்லாம் நல்லா activate ஆகும். All the inner parts are being activated. Relax. Relax in Balasana. Turn right side. Naukasana. Inhale up, hold the position for a few seconds. தலை கை கால் ஒரே லைனில் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் லைனில் இருக்கும். ரிலாக்ஸ். Markatasana. Keep your hands widened. Hold your legs. Right at opposite side. Left at opposite side. Right at opposite side. Left at opposite side. Right at opposite side. Left at opposite. Keep 1 feet gap between the foot. Right at opposite side. Left at opposite side. Right at opposite side. Left at opposite side. Right at opposite side. Relax. Next. Nataraja position. Raise your right leg up. Touch your left palm. Raise your left leg up. Touch your right palm. Your right leg up. Touch your left palm. Your left leg up. Touch your right palm. Raise your right leg up. Touch palm. Your left leg up. Touch your right palm. Relax. Next, Ardha Bhavana Mudasana. Raise your right leg up. Fold it. Touch the nose. Stay for few seconds. Relax. Change the position. Hold it. Touch the nose. Hold it for few seconds. Relax. Again, raise your right leg up. Hold it. Touch the nose. Hold it for few seconds. Relax. Raise your left leg up. Hold it. Touch the nose. Hold it for few seconds. Relax. Next, Bhavana Mudasana. Raise your both legs up. Hold them. Touch the nose. Hold them. Relax. Again, raise your both legs up. Hold them. Touch the nose. Go back. Relax. Ardha Alasana. 90 degree. Place your right leg up. Slowly bring back. Place your left leg up to 90 degree. Slowly bring back. Raise your right leg up. Slowly bring back. Raise your left leg up. Slowly bring back. Raise your both legs up to 90 degree. Slowly bring back. Relax. Again, raise your both legs up to 90 degree. Slowly bring back. Relax. Next, Uttana Padasana. Hold it 45 degree. Raise your both legs up. Hold it 45 degree. Stay in this position for few seconds. Relax. Again, raise your both legs up. Hold it for few seconds at 45 degree. Relax. Slowly bring down. Then circle. This is a circle. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. Change the position. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Single pedal. 1, 2, 3. Opposite. 3, 2, 1. Change the position. 1, 2, 3. Opposite 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next, fourth leg. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push. Relax, relax. Fast cycling. Then reverse further. Come back. Relax, relax, relax. Next, Viparita Karani. Shoulder stand. Fold your legs. Raise your body. It shows top seat clapping. Hold the position for 3 seconds. Blood circulation நல்லா ஆக்டிவேட் ஆகும். அனைத்து பார்ட்ஸும் வெளிப்புற பாகங்களும் உள்ளூர் உறுப்புகளும் நன்றாக இயங்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ஆசனா. பெஸ்ட் ஆசனா. Come to Alasana slowly. Bring your legs down. This is Alasana. Back to the original position. Relax, relax. Next, Setu Bandhasana. Fold your legs. Keep your ankles by your hands. Raise your middle of your body. Inhale up. Hold the position for few seconds. Relax. Slowly back to the original position. Now we are going to do Shanti Asana. Keep your legs and hands away from your body. Relax the position. ವ್ಯರ್ಥ ಓಟ ಕಾಟ್ ಓಟ ಉಯಿರ್ ಓಟ அனைத்து ஓட்டங்களும் சீராக நடைபெறுகின்றன. உச்சி முதல் உள்ளங்கால் வரை அனைத்து உறுப்புகளும் ஓய்வு பெறுகின்றன. ஓய்வு, ஓய்வு, ஓய்வு. Relax, relax, relax. கால் கைகளை லேசாக ஷேக் பண்ணிங்க. 2 கைகளையும் மேலே உயர்த்தி ரப் பண்ணி உடல் முழுவதும் ஆற்றல் பரவிடுங்க. Turn your left side. Get up. Relax. Clapping. अंतरिक्षं शांति पृथ्वी शांति आप शांति औषधे शांति वनस्पति शांति विश्वदेवो शांति सर्वं शांति शांति देवो शांति सामा शांति देवी ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम।